One of the moms in my neighborhood has started a weekly kids cooking and craft club. The moms of the participating kids take turns teaching the kids a skill or doing a project with them. For my first week, I thought it would be fun to make our own Easter bunny baskets out of wood. I have fond memories of making my basket each year as a kid. We used to take bright colored cardstock and weave together our baskets and leave them out the night before Easter. This bunny basket is a fun DIY craft to do with your kids or even your grandkids. I have a bunny pattern available to print from my website, hertoolbelt.com. I'll leave a link for the pattern in the description below. I traced the pattern on wood and used a scroll saw to cut out the pattern. Then used a sander to smooth the edges. This is a handy little 1-inch belt sander. It's excellent for craft projects. I used a 3/4 inch Forstner bit to drill a hole for the 3/4 inch dowel. The hole is about a 1/2 inch deep. I used scrap wood to make the 1/4 inch basket slats, but you could buy some lath sticks or even use paint stir sticks instead. I cut the dowel to 11.5 inches long. I decided to pocket hole a solid piece for the bottom. Or you could use brad nails to nail it in place, or even use more of the slats for a segmented bottom. To assemble the basket, I glued the bottom and secured it with 1 1/4 inch pocket hole screws. I also glued the dowel in place, then attached the opposite bunny the same way. I had the kids nail their own slats onto their baskets, which they thought was really fun. I did preload the little 3/4 inch nails on the slats to help them out. I started the bottom slat 1/4 inch from the bottom. Then I left a 1/4 inch gap between each slat and used a little spacer stick to help me keep things straight. I definitely recommend doing the hammering on a solid surface. Trying to hammer on a flimsy plastic table was a little bit hard. I think the bunnies turned out pretty cute in natural wood. I painted mine white with chalk paint. Finally, I attached some little bunny details with super glue. The kids went pretty wild with their choices of paint color, but they all turned out really fun. This was a fun little project and the kids really had a blast. You can grab the free plans and pattern on hertoolbelt.com and have fun building.